I've been getting paid on YouTube from AdSense for about 9 months, and I've been sharing what I made along the way. Now, as a relatively new channel, I am learning as I go in just about every way, from creativity to production, post-production, and obviously how to operate a business. So in this video, I'll of course talk about my analytics, but I'll also share what I've done, what I've learned, how it's worked for me, and most importantly, what I'm thinking moving forward. I feel like I've been working hard and have learned a lot, and now the question is, has it paid off? My YouTube channel falls into what I would say is a finance and lifestyle channel. I share my journey setting up my financial future, paying off 6 figures of debt while trying to invest, as well as sharing the lifestyle that my money pays for. I would say my audience is younger people that have a little bit of extra money but aren't really sure what to do with it, or are in a similar position to me where they are trying to get control of their finances. So let's talk about where I'm at now, and then we'll circle back to the analytics. I hit 1,000 subscribers in October or November of 2024, and then I was monetized in December of 2024. Currently, I have about 4,600 subscribers and have been posting consistently for about a year since I got monetized. But I've had my channel for 5 to 6 years, and it's taken some ebbs and flows. When we last spoke at the 6-month mark, my channel had earned a total of $723.29, and I had gained about 2.2 thousand subscribers from when I got monetized. If you want to see the breakdown of each of those 6 months, then my 6-month YouTube update will be linked down below. So let's go month by month since the last one I made, which was in June. That means we will be starting with July. In July, I posted 13 shorts and 9 long form videos. This got me a total of 65.5 thousand views. My best performing video was a short from September of 2024, and it got 8,000 views in July. And then my best performing long form video was posted at the end of June, and it got 3,000 views in July. My channel gained 1.1 thousand watch hours and 230 new subscribers. I earned $94.36 from AdSense in July. Now, if you're familiar with AdSense and you know it's paid out monthly, but in order to reach a payout, you have to have $100 in your bank. So you have to make $100 in a month, otherwise you don't get paid for that month, but that money does stack on to the next month. So because I didn't make $100 in July, I made $94. That $94 just got added on to my August paycheck. Since the 2 to 3 months after I got monetized, when I had a really big video taken off, I had not hit $100 in a month. The closest I've gotten is $94 at this point in July. It is a little frustrating to be so close to the threshold and not get the payout, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles, isn't it? And like I said, I'm learning and growing both as a creator and also as someone operating a business, so it's encouraging to see income at all. So let's have a peek at August now. In August, I posted 14 shorts and continued on with my 9 long form videos. This got me a total of 86.9 thousand views. My most viewed short was one that I made about a date night, but the day in the life short from last September was still pulling its weight. So that's what's really cool about YouTube, is once you have a library of videos, you never know which one is gonna start doing work. And this one is almost a year old at this point, and it is still getting a lot of views, which means it's bringing people to my channel. My most viewed video from the month was a long form video where I gave a net worth update. That got 5,391 views. My first video to blow up, and the reason that I got monetized, was a what my net worth is video. And I think it was on the last what I made on YouTube video that someone commented, "Hey, you had this really good video, you should make more of those." And I was like, duh. So that just goes to show that it's really easy to get stuck in the weeds of like details, and you sometimes just need to take a step back and say what worked and repeat that. So I've committed to making those videos monthly, and we'll see what happens. They definitely are popular even on the monthly basis. Not as popular as that first video, but whatever. So in August, I also gained 1.3 thousand watch hours, so relatively similar to July, as well as 254 new subscribers, which is also relatively similar to July. And of course, I earned another $94.11. So close to that $100 threshold, but we are just not crossing it. And also not really seeing an upward trend. It's kind of stagnant, which leaves me to wonder what's going on. So it's September now, and as I'm filming this video, it's about halfway through the month. So far, I've posted 8 shorts and 4 long form videos. And it's helpful to look at the when you posted videos, because for the past couple days, as I check my analytics, I feel like I'm in a slump and my channel isn't growing. Turns out I posted 1 video in the past week. And also, despite feeling like my channel isn't doing anything, so far we are halfway through the month and I've gotten 87.3 thousand views, where my top performing video is a short where I jumped on a Sabrina Carpenter song trend. I have 575 watch hours so far in September, so on par for the last couple months, and I've grown by 105 subscribers, which is also on par with the past couple months. So far though, halfway through the month, I've made $49.33. So if I can have a few videos perform better than normal towards the end of the month, I will hit that $100 threshold, which will be very exciting. Since getting monetized last December, my channel has gotten 695,300 views. My top performing video is the one that I credit to getting me monetized, which I posted last November. And my top performing short is that trend with Sabrina Carpenter from this month. Since last December, I have earned 11.5 thousand watch hours, welcomed 2,500 new subscribers, and made a total of $925.37. So almost $1,000 I definitely think is very cool. That's $1,000 that I didn't have before. And I say this not from a lack of excitement or gratitude for having this channel and this platform, but because if you're watching this video, it's for one of three reasons. First, you might just be straight up curious what people on YouTube can make. You might also be monetized and are comparing your stats, or you're starting a channel and are curious what can happen if you start a channel. And the fact of the matter is that I want this number to be bigger. Even before I made money, I saw YouTube as a business opportunity. But I am new to the world of business and content creation, and so I am learning as I go. And my background is in healthcare, which has nothing to do with any of this. So my goals with this channel are to reach as many people as possible in order to inspire them to use money as a tool to live a life they love. And then also to learn valuable skills for growing and monetizing a channel that I could take into other endeavors. So the first thing I did was focus on consistency, and from just making videos, I feel like I made slightly better videos each time. But moving forward, I really want to focus on quality. I've been studying how to increase my views from better thumbnails, making better intros, scripting more valuable videos, and learning strategies to keep viewers like you engaged for longer. This will help with my goal of inspiring more people, because not only does it encourage more people to come to my channel and join my community, but it also keeps you here so that you can learn what I have to say. So if you're here still in this video, maybe I did something that worked. So far, I think any success that I've had on this channel has been purely from luck. And I kind of thought that was all there was to it. I thought you posted a video, and if you posted it at the right time, maybe the right people would click, and then it might take off if the algorithm picked it up. That's just not true at all. The algorithm is not a water slide where if you jump on at the wrong moment, you just end up going too far. It is based on people being engaged with you. So my focus is to continue to create consistent videos, but also to improve the quality of them. And I'm excited to see what that does on the next YouTube update, because ultimately the more people I can reach and have in this community, the more value I can provide to the world. And that seems pretty cool. So to answer the big question here, is my YouTube growth normal? I think for someone like me that does not have any experience in videography and content creation, probably. I have been pretty consistently growing for about a year, where I kind of get the same number of subscribers every single month, and that number goes up a little bit, but nothing significant. I think it's just more of a natural consequence of posting videos. But can it be better? Well, subscribe and stick around for a little while and I'll give you an update.